going on, guys? So today again we're gonna be going to the junkyard. We're gonna be going to the one in Sun Valley. We haven't been there in quite a while, and also so yesterday I took apart my JDM-K24 and everything went well, except when it comes down to the bolts that both the bottom part of the alternator onto the waterproof housing. They seem very short, like they only have like not enough thread to really bite into it, so I can't really torque it down or anything like that without risking stripping the waterproof housing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another set off of another cord. Also my G35, that's right there, driver's side window regulator kind of took a shit, and they're kind of expensive to buy brand new or even like a Dorman brand. So there's a few at the junkyard too, so go ahead and see maybe I can source one for cheap. Also, guys, for you guys that have been watching and subscribing, I'd like to say thank you, guys. It does help me, it does motivate me to keep wanting to do videos. Hope you guys enjoy the content. I mean, for right now, I've been doing a lot of junkyard runs because as of right now, you know, with the loss of daytime and stuff like that, it's really hard to work on the Honda. So on my days off, I'd rather just go take advantage of that is nice and cool at the junkyards to go ahead and, you know, kind of source out stuff that I need for the K-swap. Also, you know, just kind of see interesting stuff that that we might see out there. So if you guys appreciate it, you know, just press like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Let's go see what we see today. We're here at the PickYoure part and in Sun Valley, and the first one we came to check out is 350Z. Nothing in particular, something as simple as the window motor, intake, that. So let's try to do it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead by start taking out this door card. So I believe there's a screw flathead right there. Security, huh? I want to disconnect these. Oh, there you go. Now it's a bunch of 10s. You take out these 4. So in order to remove it, you gotta take out these 4. All right, guys, so I went ahead and disconnected the window motor from the rest of the mechanism. I'm having troubles taking out those Phillips. They're too wide, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it like that. I'm still gonna try to go see the G35, see if I can find a secondary one, and then we'll go from there, guys. Here goes the second G35, guys. Headlights are gone, tail lights are still there, and there you go. Window motor should still be in there. Anything else I need off this? No. So we're gonna go ahead. Has a Metro kit right there, aftermarket. Oh, we need window motor. Let's go ahead and take it. So we went ahead and undid the whole door. Bolt inspection. This has like a Chinese knockoff. Also, for some reason, that bolt was put up on reverse. Secondary. Right here, you can see the cable's broken, so it's probably not worth taking this motor. So this is another G35 that we came to see, and obviously it's been gone through. It's gone, and I'm sure the window motor gone. So I mean, we might have came up on that 350Z. Go Prelude aftermarket exhaust. Automatic, shout out to Gino. And it has Same here, has a B series in it. That's a little bit weird. Automatic. All right, fellas, here's another G35. Window motor gone. Damn, not much left of this one. So we went ahead and checked out the G35s. All of them pretty much were taken, all the motors. So I guess we got lucky with the 350Z one. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and run with that. We did find a Honda Civic, I believe manual, and seen better days. Yeah, so another thing we needed from that Honda Accord manual was the flywheel inspection cover. But with that one, like, it was hit in the front, there's some bolts that we won't be able to access, so I'm just gonna have to skip on that for some other time. Right here, guys, ooh, look at those wheels. Right here we have an automatic 2002 CRV. Now the quick little thing is, for this year, that post mount right there, if you can see it, that's what you need if you want to do a case swap. Also, if you want to do a case swap, the CRV are the same one as the water pump housing. Pretty much everything, all the accessories are the same as an Acura RSX, and I believe the Type S as well. Find an RSX one, you could always just find a CRV, and you can use it. As you can see, the water neck does face down, so that's a good thing. And yeah, it's a quick little fit. We do see a G35 over here. Tail lights are clean. Window motor is alright then, guys. So I went ahead, took out the outer cover. You have to remove the bolts right here. There's a bunch of 10s all around. Then you have to remove the handle ones, and then the bolt right here, bolt right there, bolt right there, bolt right there, and then there's 3 Phillips and behind here, and then so here's the motor. It looks relatively new. It's not OEM, it's whatever brand this is, but you know, the thing is, typically on these G35s, these windows do go bad, so need to replace. I mean, this car seems like you know, it's an 05, so hopefully this part is newer. So we're gonna go ahead and take both of them. That's pretty much it for me when it comes on to looking for G35s. So, and I'm gonna see how much it is. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Rather try these out. If not, I'll buy an aftermarket one. So let's go find that Honda Accord. Man, look at that Z. That's, this shelf is from herself. So we're gonna try to find row 100 and 126. There's a TSX I want to come and check out, and I believe a manual Honda Accord. So we're gonna go ahead and look for those, and if we see them, see what's left. And that's pretty much it. That should conclude today. I really came for the window motors and just to kind of see what else we see. Automatic J series. So we found row 126, and let's see which car is here. There goes one of the Hondas we came to look at. Subframe is gone. I believe that's TSX. Yep, TSX, fellas. So what I'm gonna try to do is grab the alternator bolts, and that's pretty much it. So we're back outside. It got a little darker. So anywho, we came up with a few things that we didn't initially want. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go see that Honda Accord. Online it showed that it was a manual, but it doesn't show as a V6 or a K series. So here's today's haul. We have this one is a power window motor from a 350Z. Actually no, this is from a G35, and it's a aftermarket, made in Taiwan. And so that's that one. And this is I'm not sure if it's OEM or not. I'm gonna have to cross-reference that. But so I went ahead and took the one off the 350Z G35, and this is a rebuilt or remanufactured power steering pump from a TSX. We're not going to use it anytime soon, but eventually I do want to run power steering, so I'd rather might as well have one. For the power window motors, it was $23.37, so total of $46.74, $6 core. And the power steering pump was a total of like $34, so total we paid around $76 for all of this right here. I'm not sure if they're OEM, but might as well try. There you go, guys, just a quick video, just a quick junkyard run. You know, I saw some stuff that I may need. You know, my power window motor on my G35 took a shit, so obviously I need one, and I wasn't gonna pay $300 something for an OEM one, or I could have paid $136 for an O'Reilly lifetime warranty, but might as well go the cheaper route.
Just Nana on note, just allow.
Oh yeah, small
So
portion.
yeah, in your from 2 weeks